Merry Christmas everyone, because I hope you're all having an awesome Christmas and let the big day begin. Because to celebrate Christmas Day itself, we're going to make a Bailey's salted caramel espresso martini. So what you want to do is get your shaker and put some ice, which we have, 4 to 5 ice cubes.
Which one's going to use?
First ingredient to go into the shaker, guys, is 2 ounces or 60ml of white rum. Right, next ingredient is 2.5 ounces, which is, according to my calculations, 75ml. So just to be clear, going in is 2.5 ounces of Bailey's salted caramel. And last but not least, the last ingredient to go into a shaker is 4 ounces or 120ml of chilled espresso. And now put your lid on.
Okay.
Now put your lid on, now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chill. There we go. Right, now straight into your martini glass. It definitely serves 2. It's definitely 2. Just as a thought, guys, serves 2. So I might need a few more coffee beans. And the last thing to do now, guys, is garnish it with chocolate sprinkles. That's Christmas, why not?
More than that, keep going.
And to finish off, just garnish it with 3 coffee beans. Wouldn't be espresso martini unless I did this. And there we go, it's the Bailey's salted caramel espresso martini. Merry Christmas. How does it taste? That's alright. It's quite a nice drink. It's not my favourite, I'll be honest. Not my favourite Bailey's cocktail recipe, but it's quite nice. But is it as good as the original espresso martini? In my opinion, no. But it's a nice Christmas cocktail, because it's nice to look at, it tastes alright, it certainly do the job on Christmas Day. And that's all there is to it. To me, I'm not too sure I like the espresso in it. Because I don't mind espresso, but I'm not too sure it goes well with this drink. That's my honest opinion. But that, guys, is the Bailey's salted caramel espresso martini. What do you guys think? You might like it better than what I did. For me, it's a 6 out of 10. Nothing more. So, but don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. And I will see you guys now in the run up to the new year. So, any cocktail suggestions, just let me know in the comments below. So, I do have a few ideas that I'm going to do over the next week or so. So, do let me know if you want to see any. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.
Happy Christmas.
And Merry Christmas, everyone. Have an awesome day.